As an Amazon influencer, it can be hard sometimes to really know and understand what does Amazon want from us. Sometimes they're asking for one thing, but then they're promoting something different. And so in this video today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get all the time. Should I be creating horizontal videos or should I be creating vertical videos? What works best? What does Amazon want? And what kind of content should I be creating as an Amazon influencer? Here's the thing. First off, I just want to say there is no right or wrong answer here. To make this video, kind of short and succinct, I just want to explain to you that as of right now, Amazon is not saying you can only create vertical videos. Okay, there's so many people saying, well, Amazon asked me for vertical videos in this email or in this promotion, or they're really pushing these vertical videos. And yes, by all means, you should always be trying out what Amazon is wanting from you, especially when it comes to content. This is really, really important because as an Amazon influencer for so many years now, I've seen all these different programs and things that Amazon is testing, and a lot of times they do request specifically vertical videos. But this video, I want to just tell you that it's okay to still make horizontal videos, and what really matters is not horizontal versus vertical, but there's actually the one question that I think everyone's asking the wrong way. It's not horizontal or vertical. What it is where do you want your video to end up on Amazon? So when it comes to creating shoppable videos for Amazon, you can do it a variety of ways, but the age-old question now is, what is better for Amazon, vertical videos or horizontal videos? And like I just said, that's the wrong question. People are asking the wrong question. The right question, like I said, is where do you want your content to show up when placed on Amazon? And I'm going to talk about placing your content on other platforms at the end here. So make sure you stick around because I'm going to tell you which type of content is best for which type of platform and which placement. So when I'm asking myself, do I want to create a vertical or horizontal video? Actually, I'm not asking myself that. What I'm asking myself is, where do I want my content to show up on Amazon? If I want my content to show up on Inspire, I'm going to do a vertical video that's 30 seconds or less, definitely under a minute. And I'm going to tag between 1 and 10 different products, okay? That is going to help make sure that your video gets placed on Inspire, which is part of the Amazon shopping app. And that gives people the ability to kind of scroll down and explore. There's different interests and things that you can hashtag and tag. And Inspire is a great option if that's what your goal is to get on Inspire. That's how you do it. Vertical video, less than 30 seconds, and you're tagging between 1 and 10 different products, okay? Now, if I want my video to show up on the product listing page, I'm going to create a horizontal video, and I'm going to create a video that's about a minute long. Sometimes it's 30 seconds, sometimes it's 3 minutes. It depends on what I want to cover in the video. Just recognize that what you should be covering is the minimum that you think the Amazon customers want to see. What are the pain points? What are the features and benefits? But try to keep it in that range or else you might lose people. But here's the thing. You only want to tag 1, 2, or 3 products. Do not tag more than 3 products in a video if you want that video to get placed on the product listing page. I personally prefer to tag 1 product. That almost guarantees me the best placement, which is on the product listing page. Now, sometimes it's a very crowded carousel and I don't always get on there right away, but a horizontal video, okay, tagging 1 product is going to give you the best chance to be able to be placed on the Amazon product listing page. And for me, that's where the majority of my on-site earnings come from. Because think about it, you guys, if you are an Amazon customer, and you probably are, if you decide, I want to buy a new camera, you're going to go search for best camera for content creators on Amazon. And now you're going to be looking through the different product pages, and you're probably going to look at the images and the videos that are on each one of those. And that is where your Amazon influencer video will show up on the product listing page. So people that are already deciding, should I buy this item, are going to be on the product listing page. They're going to watch your video, or at least have the chance to watch your video. And then if they buy, then you convert a sale and you earn that commission. Now, when people are scrolling through Inspire, it's just a whole different experience, but it's also a whole different Amazon customer. These people are browsing, they're just searching around. Maybe they're trying to get inspiration, hence the name Inspire, right? Maybe they're trying to get inspiration for, not necessarily buying a new camera, but maybe a whole new content creation studio setup, right? Then I would go to Inspire to kind of scroll around and search. But here's the thing. I don't really buy a lot when I'm scrolling through Inspire because it's really just for inspiration. I just want to know what's there, what are my options. Whereas when I'm on the product listing page on Amazon, I'm way more likely to buy the thing because it's one particular item. I'm deciding, do I want to buy this or not? When I'm on Inspire, I'm just scrolling, getting ideas, maybe writing down notes, kind of maybe looking at different products, seeing what my options are. But I'm way more likely to buy something when I'm looking at the product listing page versus Inspire. And that's why instead of thinking horizontal or vertical for your videos, I want you to think, where do I want this video to get placed on Amazon? And that's what I want you to create that video all around. Then decide if you want to do horizontal or vertical. Then decide how many products you want to include in that video and how long you want that video to be. So when people ask me, should I create a horizontal video or a vertical video? I say, where do you want your content to end up on Amazon? And then take it from there. Now, I will say there are benefits to each one of those. I primarily do horizontal videos and have for a long time because I want to show up on the product listing page. I also then repurpose all of those Amazon shoppable videos onto YouTube. And then that gives me one more place where people can potentially find my video, especially through searching on Google. People can find my video, watch my video, click through my link, and buy that thing on Amazon. Now, if you're doing vertical videos, you can absolutely repurpose those for other platforms like TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Now, same thing as with what I said with Inspire, though, okay? People are not necessarily searching around. Maybe in TikTok, they're searching around now that TikTok has their own shop, but people aren't necessarily searching for products on Instagram. They're scrolling, just like on Inspire, right? So just take that into account. Your horizontal videos are great for product listing pages. Tag between 1 and 3 products, ideally 1, and then you could repurpose that content for YouTube. If you really like the vertical videos, you're probably more of a social media person than I am. Keep doing that, but just know that you're probably going to end up more likely on Inspire, and then you can repurpose those videos for social media. Now, if you create vertical videos that only tag 1, 2, or 3 products, you very much can still get on the product listing page. So I do think that's really important to call out here. It's not only the horizontal videos that are getting on the product listing page, it's both. But like I said, I really want to challenge you to decide, where do I want this video to show up first before you decide vertical or horizontal. I hope this video has been helpful. If you're interested in learning more, I highly encourage you to check out my free masterclass where I teach you my 100K a year content strategy for Amazon. I've been doing this for a long time. I've been making money on Amazon for over 15 years now, whether it's a seller, an influencer, an affiliate, or any of that. Check out my free masterclass if you want the free step-by-step on how you can become a 6-figure content creator with Amazon too.